Hey guys, Marcus here. I just wanted to make this quick video on how you can actually connect the Logitech G733 with your phone. The thing is that these don't have Bluetooth. They have something like Lightsync that is different comparing to Bluetooth. And the only way how you can connect it with the phone, that you have to get an adapter. I just found a picture of someone like using it. So you're gonna have the stick, right? The connector that you have for when you want to connect it with the PC. So what you need to do is you need to buy adapter. So I have, for example, Samsung and I have USB-C. So therefore I would get a USB-C adapter with the USB. So you want to have USB-C to USB adapter. So for example, like this one right here on the Amazon. And then you would just like plug it in as on this picture, and then it's going to work. And you can use it and listen to music. But it's not going to work if you just want to connect it with the Bluetooth. This is a pity, but this is really important thing, because if you're trying to if you already purchased it, that okay, this is the way, but if you're thinking about purchasing it, this is the thing that you actually need to know. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video helped you at least a little bit, and have a great day, and goodbye.